Do we have something special for you guys today, you Jeepers? This is my hardtop Jeep. I've got the DEI headliner kit. I've got tinted windows all the way around. And with the hardtop, it really feels a little claustrophobic in there. And I got Dan Mary here with me from ClearLidz, and he's gonna show us a product that's gonna really open up the interior of our car.
The ClearLidz is a product made out of clear polycarbonate. When you place this on, you're going to lose that claustrophobic feeling that you always have from being dark inside. Although this looks dark and tinted on the outside, it's clear vision when you're looking up through it at night, in the daytime, whatever. It's really nice for you.
Now this hardware that we have installed, this is going to come without any hardware installed on it. And if you could just lift up that side right now, you can see right here, we've got OEM hinges for the front portion, correct?
Yes, correct. These are the exact same style and function as the OEM version that's on the Jeeps.
Comes with the kit. Now the most important part is when you guys are installing your hardware right here, you have to make sure that you don't make it too snug because this is, urethane, or
it's polycarbonate.
You don't want to make it too tight or anything like that. So basically we've got two tools that we're going to show you how to use. We're going to use a channel lock to hold the center in place, and then he's going to use an adjustable wrench to get the 1 1/16 nut on the outside, and that'll get you tight, but not too tight, because if you start to get too tight, this will slip. And when you want some slip, you just want it snug, you don't want it to be completely tight. This is very easy to install. First thing we're going to do is remove our freedom panels, and there are 2 seals that you have to put in place before you lay this down, correct?
And they just lay there. All you got to do is lay one on the left side, lay one on the right side, then we put the roof on it and we snug it down.
Let's do it. Let's grab the roof, put it on.
We're going to use these 6 custom-made fasteners to hold the roof down in place now, along with 3 of the OEM latches up front. So there are 9 secure points to hold this on tight to the roof. We're going to go up through the hole that's in the OEM roll bar here, and we're going to catch the underside of this nut like we've done here, and we're just going to get all 6 in position first, and then we're going to tighten them up. Now the one in the back here, we have to unzip, open that up a little bit, and we're going to go up through here. There's already a hole there, so we know we don't have any problem. We're going to come up, and we're going to catch this, and then just start tightening. And we're going to get all 6 in place before we tighten them down. Now next what we're going to do is we're going to install the 2 pieces that go in the back center here. This is the OEM piece that holds your freedom panels in. So we're going to take those out, and we're going to use the custom pieces that we had talked about, shaped like this. They'll go right into the same holes, and you'll find it's actually easier to turn than the OEM one. And all we're going to do is get these fairly snug before we move on.
Dan, I'm absolutely loving this open air, extra light feeling. My wife Julie's going to love this.
One of the key things she's probably going to like, if you put your hand above and your hand inside here, you can feel the difference in heat. Definitely, I feel the sun hitting my hand out here, but inside, you lose the heat. It's about a 25-degree temperature drop, and that's been laboratory tested.
And it's going to also protect us from the UV rays and not fade our interior or anything like that, right?
That's correct. It will block 99.95% of the UVA and the UVB rays, which are what cause sunburn. So you're protected from getting a sunburn if you're out all day long. And very important also is the sun coming through here is not going to harm or crack your nice leather interior.
Absolutely. Now this is going to be strong enough for us rock crawlers. Well, not me rock crawler, I'm a wall crawler. But this is going to be strong enough for the rock crawlers out there, right?
Oh, this thing's indestructible, and we're going to prove it to you.
Well, he's going to let me run one over just to show you guys how strong it really is. I can't wait to do that. This is the funnest part of my day, everyone. Dan said that this ClearLidz is virtually indestructible, and he's going to allow me to run over one. So let's do it. We're going to run over it once, and we're going to run over it twice the other way and see how strong it really is. Go ahead and set that thing down. This is going to be fun. Always fun to go mall crawling in my Jeep. This way I can feel as if...
Okay.
Now turn it upside down just to make sure. I want to thank you, Dan. That was the most fun I've ever had, okay? Running over things and trying to break them, that's the best we can do right there. And look at that. It is completely in one piece. That is incredible, both ways.
Love it.
Absolutely, and it's made right here in the Midwest of America, right?
Made in the United States. We're
That's
proud to say
awesome.
it's American made.
It is so much more airy in my Jeep. I love it. I can't wait to hit the malls this evening.